Hello, everyone, and welcome to your first assignment for Intro to Ed. So, this assignment is to introduce yourself with a digital page, and you're going to have two options for what you would like to choose from. Basically, you can choose whether you would like to use an Adobe Express page or Canva. And both are great tools, great options to use. So, I recommend choosing one, maybe choose both whatever you would like throughout the course. I hope you use both. A couple of notes. I'm not going to read you this page, but I did just want to, point out basically Adobe Express. It's integrated with your UWW email in the sense that you can use your Google. You integrate through Google. Canva does not integrate through your email, but it's also free. There are paid features. They're going to be denoted with a crown. I'll show you in a minute, but you can verify as an educator and get free use. So if you have a, K-12 email or anything like that, and you can, say what school you're at, you can get it for free. When you open it, there are templates. However, I'm going to encourage you not to use a template, but you can use one. But if you do, make at least 5 customizations to it. You don't want it to look like a template. That doesn't really show creativity or your personality. So basically, a couple things just to go over the requirements wise is basically it's designed to introduce us to you and show us your personality. It should include a picture and your name, your major or hometown or where you live, what you want to accomplish as an educator, and 5 things about you. I skipped over the second bullet because I want to talk a little bit about that. Basically, just be thinking about good design principles. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a graphic designer or anything, but be thinking about simple things like we've all probably seen a page or an image or something somewhere where there wasn't enough contrast, right? You put, really dark font on a really dark background or a really light font on a really light background, those sort of things. We want to limit the amount of fonts we use. Try to pick a professional font, don't have, 7 different fonts. If you use a template, for example, each template section, if you use different sections, may have different fonts. You probably want to make those all look the same, those sort of items. So if you're doing the Express page, there is another video that you'll want to watch. The thing I want to remind you of also is you must come back and submit your page here. So you'll come over here to modules, module 1, this discussion, which has moved itself. I will fix that as soon as I am done. I just uploaded it. But there is a discussion where you just need to basically post that here's your video, and then you're going to respond to 2 peers. So you come over to Canva, you click create, you're going to click websites, and then, you're going to pick something. So maybe I want to make this one, right, if I was using a template, and then it'll pop up. But as you look at this, right, this isn't very personable. We want to, personalize it. The other option would be this is what I did when I built mine, is I used a portfolio website. And then from there, I just built my page out. So for example, you'll see I use different styles throughout, and I just tried to make it me. So here I've got an intro kind of title slide, so to say, about me. Then in here, I have my kind of education background in terms of, what I did for teaching, kind of what my passions are and where I live, and a photo of me. Then I have a little bit more about me, and this is really kind of the lifelong learning piece for me. I'm talking about what I'm currently working on. I'm currently working on some different research, so I'm talking a little bit about that. Then I'm talking about what I'm doing when I'm not teaching. So for me, it's Disney or the theater, or usually I'm in pursuit of more coffee. So you can kind of just see a little bit there. And then coffee, literally, it is very important to me. So I have some coffee facts about me and also tying it back to my teaching. And then I finished off with basically what I'm hoping to learn this semester, because I love to learn from my students. I love to continuously improve this course. I use the feedback I get every single semester. So I'd leave you with this. What are you hoping to learn this semester? I hope this is helpful in kind of getting you a jump start into building this digital page. And I hope these are some fun tools that you look forward to using.